In our first DVDs we saw how to roll, okay? But now just let's see how to roll when I have something to jump. I have to jump because in the middle there is something and I want to get through. So basically, when I have to jump, if I want to go very, very higher, okay, I have to run and just in front of the object I have to jump. If I want to go far and not higher, I have to jump and get very close from the floor because I want to go very far. So if I want to go higher, just in front of the object, I jump and I turn myself in the air like this, or I will get very close from the floor if I want to go very far. And in the first videos we saw when you make a roll, you have to do this with your two hands, okay? Because when I will jump, it is this hand and this hand that make me receive myself on the floor. Again. Now let's see how to roll with a gun, okay? When I will roll, I have to put my gun in the safe direction, okay? Because when I get on the floor, maybe it could happen that the gun will shot, okay? And it is very dangerous. So when I will roll, I have to put the gun over there and go on my shoulder to roll. And now, let's see how to roll if the gun is here in the middle, okay? And I want to roll and at the same time to take it. Okay, now let's see when I am in this position, I can block him to make it not move too much, okay? So with my two knees, I will put one here and one over there, okay? And I will do the same thing with my two elbows, here and here, okay? And I will put my balance, okay, to be heavy on him, like this, you see? To block him, okay? Don't make your knee too close, like this, because here he can move. Here he cannot, okay? So here, from here, I can block him. From this position, I have many kinds of arm locks, okay? So let's see the basics one. Put your head over there. Okay. If now his hand is in this position, I will put all my balance on his wrist, get this hand under, and grab my wrist, and I will go in this direction, over there. Okay? If I don't put very stronger my hand here, it will happen nothing. Okay? Maybe it will be hurt him, but if he's a flex guy, nothing. So I have to do this. All my balance, and over there, like this. But us, in our Krav Maga, when we walk, it is not like for competition. We don't walk and now we are waiting that he does this. That means stop, like in every sport. When you do this, you have to break him. Back, okay? Don't wait on this. We are working for broke, okay? Because in our Krav Maga, when you go to the floor, that means it's not I cannot hit, it's just arm lock. No, you can shoot, you can hit, you can kill, everything, okay? Because it's not like our jiu-jitsu or judo for competition. We want to break, okay? Because I don't want to stay too much time with him on the floor. I finish with him and I get up, okay? So from here, I push over there and go in this direction. Now, if his hand is like this, the same thing. I put all my balance over here, get my second hand here, okay? And I will go over there, okay? But, to make it worse, okay? I will do like this. I want to take his arm over there, okay? Like this. Here, and I come back. Here, okay? And if I want, I can also turn and go to the handcuff, okay? So again, here it will be like this, okay? Or like this. Over there it will be like this, okay? Here and here. Okay? So now, we saw the first one position with my 2 knees and my 2 elbows, and I can walk here for arm locks. Now, let's see what happens if I go on him, okay? Basically, it is the best position to go on him, over there, okay? But, sometimes the guy, he doesn't want to let me go on him, okay? So what I have to do, it is to push his knees, okay, to let me get on, okay? So if he doesn't want me to come, okay, he's like this, okay? I will try to go over him and he puts his leg, okay? So I have to push it to come. When I am here, look what I'm doing with my 2 legs. I go over there and there, okay? Because if I don't do this, he can throw me over there. So from here, I take it. And now, if I want to break a part of his back, I have to do like this. But be careful when you do this, because it is very dangerous. I will make my body straight, like this. Okay? When it hurts you, like this. Okay? 1. And come back. Okay? So if I do this, like this, bam! Okay? I can hurt him to the back. Again, 1. So now, from this position, basically, we said that we can make chokes and hit, okay? So let's see, when I hit someone, it won't be like this with all my balance, like this, boom. Because if he defends, I will hit the floor and break my wrist. So when I hit from here, bam, bam, I just want to go to his face, not very strong, okay? When I give elbows, it won't be like this, boom. From here, I take his head over here and bam, okay? I can use many kinds of position with my hands, because just with the fist, he can make defense. Okay, so he's in guard like this. To get under, I have to play with my fingers over here, with this, over here, and here in this part, like we explained for the yellow DVDs, here. Okay, so I have this taken here, eyes, okay, to the neck, okay, and the basic fist. Okay. So let's see now from this position how to choke someone. From here, I will put my shoulder, okay, under this part of his head, okay, and my bone from my arm under his neck, okay, and basically I will push up with my shoulder here, okay. I put my shoulder here under his head, my bone over here. I catch my 2 arms and I go in this direction, okay. Again. And I hurt him in this part. Okay? So now let's continue. From here we said, in this position, I can hit him. I can make choke. But now let's go back to the hit part. When I hit him, he defends himself. Okay? I want this because I want to take his arm. Okay? So what I will do is like this. Okay? Like this. And I want to take his arm like this. Okay? So I play with him. I want him to make defense, and now I get his arm. So from this position, look, I will put this leg over here, okay? And I will throw myself to go to the arm locks. Again, turn over there. From here, I hit him, take his arm, put this leg over there, and I will throw myself very, very, very fast. But look, when I take his arm, it's not over here, it is here. Okay? More I am closer to him, and better it will hurt him. Okay? So from here, shoot! So the first position was like this. Okay? And we saw arm locks from this position. After the second one, it was like this. Okay? With my 2 legs over there, I can hit him and go to the arm locks. Okay? Now let's go to the third position. It will be over there. Here, it's like a choke like in judo, okay? So look, important things. Don't do this like this, because if your body is like this, it can throw you over there. So I have to make my body very heavy. I put my legs over there, okay? Because the most part of my body is over there. If I'm like this, it can easily throw me, okay? So I'm staying here. Now I will choke him. The same thing with my bones, I go over there. And I will take my head over there, okay? Because after we'll see the defense about this choke, and you will see that it's not good to let your head over here. Okay, so from here I will go there. I can also play with his arm, okay, to take him here. Because he's like this, he can hit me. Okay? So from here, I see that he wants to hit me up and go over there. Okay? And he has now a good arm locks. So from this position, I could choke him and go to arm locks. Okay? Let's continue. The fourth position now, it will be over there. Now from here, I will go here. Okay, the same thing. I will choke him and go in this direction over here. Okay, and now I have to be careful with his hand. So from here, I will be like this. Okay, I can hit him, bam, 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 and from here, I will throw myself over there. Okay, again from here, I take his hand over here. Okay, I can hit, and go over there. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now let's train to this exercise like a spider. Why a spider? Because from here I have to train myself to do this. I will put all my balance on him to make him tired, okay? And I will turn. From here, like this. And then come back. Okay? So the training is very good to do this. Okay? From here I go to arm lock. From up position I go to arm locks. Okay? So it is very easy drill to get used to go to all position. Okay, now let's see. When the guy is fall, okay? He's fallen. And now I want to hit him. Okay? So the basic exercise to defend, it will be to, after he falls, he come back in guard, okay? This leg will stay on the floor, and the second leg will make defense, okay? So if I go over there, it's out. I go over there, it's out, okay? And also a good drill to train at your gym, it is to do this, okay? Because really it's happened, okay? So I'm over there. Okay, now let's see from here what can he can do for get out this position. So I have many possibilities. When he's here, it depends what leg he is offering me. I can go here, I put this leg over there and push on his knee to make it fall. Okay, again, from here I push, okay, in straight way. Or from here, if it is this leg, I will go over there, my legs here, and the second one over here, and I will make a scissor, like this, okay? And I make it down. Again, over here, I hit him, and very strong, bam! I make him down. Another one, you have these two legs in front of me, it will be like this. One I hit, and second, I hit to the groins. Again, from here, I hit and hit to the groins. Okay? If I hit over here, nothing happens because it's trial. If you want to make him fall, you have to hit very low. Okay? And very strong. 1 and 2. Okay? Again. Now, show how you fall when I do this. 1, 2. Okay? Again. 1, 2. Now let's see how to throw someone, okay? Because someone, it could happen that we are in a fight situation in the street and we are like this, okay? Attrape-moi. We are grabbing each other, okay? Because you have a lot of people, they don't know how to fight. They just do this. When we're afraid, they grab you. So from here, it is a very good position to go to a throw to position to project the guys, okay? So basically the move will be like this. I have to put my 2 feet here, okay? Like his 2 feet, okay? I will go down, I will grab him, go down, and do this to break his balance. After I do this, I can help him and throw him. So you have 3 possibilities. The first one, it will be, I catch his grab, his wrist, and go to the neck, and throw him. The second one, it's a little bit down, not to the neck, over here, and I throw him. Okay? And the third, it will be with his shoulder. From here, I catch his mid, okay, not his t-shirt, his mid. From here, I go down and I throw him. Okay. Let's see a few defenses with chokes attack when I am in the ground, okay? The first one. Come to me. From here, he's choking me. Now look, it's like this. He's like a table for me. If he's like this, okay, you have 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, like a table, okay? So here, he can stand. But if I take out 1 feet, he will fall. If I take 2 feet, he will fall for sure, okay? So when he's choking me, I have 2 feet over here. So I have to make my defense and to throw him, okay? Get out. The position to throw him, it will be like this. With this feet, I will push to get on my shoulder over here, okay? Or in the other side, over here. Okay, so good drill for trying to your gym, it is to do like this. Go and back. Go and back. Okay? So let's do this. Come. He's choking me. And I go now to the leg lock. Again. From here, he's choking me. Okay, now let's see the defense when he's in my guard. Now, when he's choking me, I have to do an opposite move. I will take his hand here, turn over there. And the second move, I have to push his head over there. Again. 1, 2. And after, I will take him with my legs. 1, 2, and from here, I just do up a little bit from here, and he will feel it, okay? Again, he's choking me. 1, 2, 3. Okay? The other side. Down. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And come back. Now, let's see when he's here, he makes me a judo choke. Like this. Okay? From here, I want to go to his eyes, or his hair, or his nose, or his mouth. Take it over here. Okay? And with my 2 legs, I will catch his head. From here to here. You see? He's very awesome. And if I want to do this and get him rough, I do this. Very slowly, because it's very dangerous. 1, 2, and take his arm. In the other side. I catch his head with his eyes, take with my 2 legs, and get his arm. And for me, I can hit. Okay? Now, let's see. He's on his knees, and from here, he's choking me. Like, okay? The first move, I have to save my life and to hit him. Because we say in Krav Maga, all the time it is defense and attack in the same time. So from here it will be 1. Okay? Again. 1. And be careful, because we explain it is like a table. If I take one of the feet, it will fall. And now it will fall on me. So to make him not fall on me, I have to put here my knee. So it will be like this. 1. Again. 1. And from here, I will go to arm locks. 1 and 2. Okay? Again. 1 and 2. Little bit faster. And up. Now let's see for these basic arm locks, but you can see all the time how to do it very well and from all positions. The first one we said when I'm here, I can grab one arm, up this leg, and go to the arm locks. From here, over there. A second possibility could be like this. I will, with my two hands, okay, push over here to make my jump, myself, okay? From here, I jump. And in the same time I jump, okay, like the CPR reanimation, I will take his arm, okay? It will be like this. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Okay? So when you are a heavy guy, it's very good because you do this. Okay? You throw yourself and take it out. Now let's see from another position. He's now in my guard. From here, I want to go to the arm lock. I have to turn myself under him, okay? So from here, I have to do this, okay? Come over here. Again. 1, 1, 1. If he's choking me, it is the first one we saw. Now he's not choking, he's just here, okay? Maybe he's hitting me, he's just here. So from here, go back. From here, I have to turn. 1. I turn, and with my second leg, I will go catch his head. 1, 2. Okay? And go to the arm locks. Again. 1, 2. And go to the arm locks. Okay, now let's see from another position. Maybe we were like this, and for any reason, I take him down, and now it's like the table, you see? Over here. From here, I have a possibility to go to the arm locks. Let's see it. Go a little bit back. Okay, so you see 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, like a table. So from here, I will go on in, like this. I make 1 step, 2 steps. Get my feet inside. I can go from here to the choke, or from here I can go to the arm locks over here. Let's see it. From here, it will be 1, 2, 3, and I go over there. Again. From here, not too much. Good. It will be 1, catch him, go on in, and grab his arm, and I fall over there. Now let's see how to defend from this arm lock. I am here, okay, and from here, you go to the arm locks, okay. When I feel that you want to make me the arm locks, I have to catch my hand, okay? Basically, it is the easy way to don't get into the arm locks, okay? So he's taking me and I am here, okay? Try. Okay, so now let's see, when I am doing this, what can I do? So I make you the arm locks, okay? And you grab with your hand. From here, okay? He's grabbing with his hand. So now look, very important. If I catch his arm with my 2 hands, okay, very difficult. Because to defend to this grab, I have to, with this part of my hand, to push his fingers. Okay? I push his finger, I go to the arm locks. But what happens? When I'm doing this, okay, I do this, but he's come back. Okay, I do this, and he's come back. So, if I have my 2 hands for make the arm locks and one of these hands is going to push over fingers, I have not enough power with only 1 hand to go to the arm locks. So when I grab him, for any cases, I have to grab from here with all my body. Now his arm is a part of my body, okay? So I can use 1 hand and I will have enough power to go to the arm lock because I use my body, not my hand, my body. So I push and I can down with my body. Again, from here I push, take with my body, and I can go to the arm lock. Okay? So now from here, let's see what possibility I have to get out this arm. Down. So, do it. I try to catch my hand, he pushed my fingers, okay? So now he has the arm lock. So I have to take his leg over here, and with my body to do this move, and to get inside, okay? To get in his guard. Again, I push his feet over there, and I get inside over here, okay? And now I am in his guard, again. I will push this over here, and with my 2 feet I push one and get in his guard. Now let's see when he is my guard, what can I do with him. From here, okay, I will do this. With my 2 feet, I will go in this direction, over here. Okay? And now I choke him over here. Okay? So when you feel it, okay, just this. 1, okay, get out. It's like this. Here, you see it's open, it's like a scissor. When I do this, it's closed. I do this, it's closed. Again. From here, I make 1. So now, the defense against this scissor. Okay, I come in his guard. Okay. From here, do the scissor. I will push my 2 hands on here, and with my 2 elbows, I will push here. Okay? Again, with my 2 elbows, I push over here. Okay? And I push to get him out. Okay? Again. When you feel it, I push with my 2 elbows. Again. I push here. 1. Okay? So, it's not just push, it will be like this, in a real situation. 1, okay, I hit and I hit. 1! And I can go now to a leg lock. Now let's see how to make a good leg lock. He's sitting in front of me, okay, and I have his leg. So look, the first position is like this, with my bones over here, under here, his feet. Not like this, because it's nothing, it's like this. Before I start to make it the leg lock, I have to make it that no hair and no blood can through over this part. Okay, so from here, before to make the leg locks, I do this. 1. Okay, and it is begin to feel it. Okay, 1. Okay, I made it strong, no hair, no blood. And after I have this good position, I can go back. Okay, so it is the first one. The second one now is him here. I want also the knee. So we'll put this leg and this leg over here and go back. Again. 1, 2, 3. You see? So now let's see. For all the leg locks, it will be always like this. 1, 1, 1. Okay, my feet under my knee. 1, 1. Okay. Continue. From here, we say this one with the knee. Oh, I can now put my knee over here. And I'm starting to turn, okay? If I don't put my knee, he can turn with me, okay? So now I do this with my feet and my knee over here, okay? And I don't let him turn, and I go over there, like this. So now let's see how to defend against this leg lock. We have many possibilities. If it's the guy is here, and I have his leg over here, okay? I can make him leg lock from here, okay? Or I can make leg lock and throw myself back, okay? So, the first one. If I'm like this, get up, and it takes my legs, okay? Now from here, I want to go down. Basically, the only thing, the only thing I have to do, it is just to grab a little bit his feet, and when he will fall, he will feel hurt before me. Slowly, up, you see? Again. Take this leg, just grab a little bit his leg, fall, you see? And really, a little bit I grab his leg, not very strong, because if I catch it strong, it will break. Okay, so it is the first defense. Now let's see. From here, we see when I'm here and he tries to kicking me, okay, I turn. But let's say now he's arriving and he give me here a kick. Me, kick, kick, kick. Okay. So now we'll do this. My defense over here. Again, you kick me. 1. Again. 1. So now from here, come over there, you can see, he hit me, I do 1, and catch his leg, and I will take my feet over here, okay? Try to get up. And with my second feet, I go over there, okay? And I take him down, okay? And now I make a knee lock from here. Again. He's taking me. 1, defense, and grab his feet. I go over there, and leg lock, okay? For the leg lock, I'm like this. If I do it very strong and very fast, I break his knee. Now, when we are in this position and he's making me the leg lock, do it. Okay, I feel it. Again, do it. I feel it. Now, do it. I don't feel. The thing I did is like this. With my feet, I do not like this, I do this. And it gives me at least 5 or 10 seconds for go to the leg lock. Okay, I will do the leg lock. So he's doing this. I put my finger in my direction, okay? And he do it very strong, try it. He cannot. I have the time to come over here and to go me to the leg lock, okay? So basically, I did this only, okay? Very easy, okay. Let's see different things to make a fight from up to down, okay? He's giving me a kick over here. Kick me. The first thing I will do is to catch his leg. 1, okay? But not in this way. Because here, if he hit me strong, I can break this part, okay? So when I do this, with my leg, I do a defense like this, okay? I slide on his leg. Do it. I do this, okay? Again, this and catch. And in the same time, I will hit him. He is attacking me. Again. Okay? Slowly. Okay, I slide on his leg. So now from here, I have 2 possibilities. Or I can drop him on the back, or in the opposite way. He's attacking me. 1. From here, grab my arm, okay? And I will throw him down, like this. From here, I can, like we see, do this. Or, another possibility for leg lock, I will do this. I hit him, go over here, and fall. Okay? Again. He's hitting me. Or go over here, and fall. Okay? So from here, I take him here, but in the real situation, I don't fall here, I fall over here, near to him, okay? Again, in this way. He's attacking me. Okay? Now, let's see another position. He's still kicking me. 1. Now I want him to fall on this part. So with my feet I will go this way, okay? I grab him here and this, my elbow will go over here, like this. And now he fall in this way. Again, kicking me. 1, go over here. Now from here I have many possibilities. He's attacking me. Now, let's see when I am in this position on the table, and it will go on me. Come on me? Yeah. So from here, basically I will throw him, I will up on my 2 legs, like this, and he will roll over there. Okay? Again, the position is like this. 1. He's come on me. 1. And I throw him. Okay? Very easy. Now let's see another application from go to up position to down position. Okay, we saw in our first DVD for the yellow belt, he's attacking me with a left punch. I do defense and elbow. A little bit faster, he's attacking me, and attack with my elbow. Now I will continue. Again, 1, 2. I will from here throw him. I catch his arm and go over there for the arm lock. Okay? A little bit faster, he's attacking me. This way. He's attacking me. Now let's see how to make defenses when I am on my back and he's attacking me with fists. And for other DVDs we will see after with a knife attack. Let's see it. He's on my guard, in my guard, and he's attacking me like this. I make defense, 1. All the time, defense and attack in the same time. 1. Pop! And from here I will continue like this. 1, I take him over here, take his arm and go to the arm lock. Again. 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 The other side. He's attacking me. 1. This side, 1. This side, 1. Okay? All the time, the same time. Over here. 1. Take him and go to the arm max very strong, very fast. Okay? But look, if I do like this, he can go over there and roll. So I have to take one of his legs to don't let him go to roll. Okay? I have his leg. Again. He's attacking me. Again. Again. And I have him. Okay? Take the knife. So with the knife, he's attacking me, the same thing. Yeah. 1, go over here and take it. Okay? He's attacking me straight. Defense, hit him, and go over here. I cut his neck. Again. 1, 2, 3, and cut him. Okay. So now for finish, let's see a drill where we can apply all we have teaching during this DVD. Okay? So we will use in this drill many techniques what we learned today. Okay? So very easy, he's attacking me. Hook. Defense and attack in the same time. I will go here to throwing. Okay? Before I catch his very close from me, go to the arm lock, he catches his hand. So I will push with my finger and here with all my body. I go back. He came inside the guard, so I go to the scissor. Okay, from here over here. He push here and go to the leg lock. Okay, and with my feet or my finger I go over there. It lets me time for go me to the arm lock over here. Okay, or over here. Okay, again. He's attacking me. I throw him. Take his arm, grab his hand, push his finger, okay? He gets inside my guard, scissor, he push my, with his elbow he push my legs, and he will go to the leg lock, and I do this with my fingers, and I go to the leg lock, okay? Again. Okay, now a little bit faster, but this drill, you have to work on it. Repeat, 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 repeat. It is a very, very good way to learn. He's attacking me. He's attacking me. Okay? Kamoni, Tida,